How to find a work at Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find it. First of all, you must go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, this is the place where you can find different works and freelance jobs. Now, if you slowly scroll down here, there's a section called Find Work. Simply tap on Find Work. Here, there are different categories, and here you can even directly search for the job that you're looking for. So you must have some experience in order to get or find a job. So basically, we place a bid in order to find or get the freelance job. So there are some limited bids available. You must have a strong profile and strong skills in order to find a job easily. So try adding all your profile and making it better, and later adding on bids will easily inquire other people and freelancers to provide you a new work or a job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you